Hey guys, Delvina here. The dog ate my footage. Wait, what'd you say? The dog? Oh no. Okay, so I really don't have a dog, but I do have three cats. I don't know what happened to my footage. It's completely gone. Just disappeared. Poof, poof, be gone. All right. So what I have left from this project is basically sewing on a hook and ironing. Um, Out of the two, I chose to work on the hook here. If you want to watch me iron, I will post the video. If you want to comment below, I will post the entire video of ironing this 4-layer dress. So I'm going in and just securing this hook down. You'll notice I'm using a little bit of a different method where as I'm passing through, I am wrapping the needle with a thread. What this is, it's just a double security method of just making sure that it is tied down and secure. A lot of times it is also good to use if you are struggling with a tack down. Um, Basically, all it is just kind of like it makes a little knot as you're passing through, just for a little extra security. These straps are on the skinnier side, so this will be pulling on the neck, and really with a lot more pressure along the neck. You just want to make sure that you kind of pay attention to where things are kind of like pushing and pulling on the body. So what we're doing is we're just going to go ahead and tie this off. And I'm going to flip this hook over, and I'm going to do is another pass through. I was not quite happy where it was sitting. And what this will do is that it will make it seem more flat, as you can see here, that it's pulling out a little bit more than what you really want. So just double checking the fit. So I am just going to go through flipping the hook to the other side, and what we're going to do is just kind of loop in and tie down. And what this will do is not only take the hook and pull it to the other side a little bit farther for a secure close, but this is also a method to basically double the strength of the eye itself. This is the completed dress. It's clean, restored, finished. There's no stains, rips, tears. I took care of everything. All that was left is just ironing in this hook and hide. I thank you for watching. And you know what? Until then, take care.